Flight of the Crow's Wing presents Natural Bridges, Arches, and Waterfalls, Finding the Sublime in the Big South Fork area of Tennessee and Kentucky. Part 2 of 2, Yahoo Falls and Arch, Julie Lynn, Princess and Triple Falls, and the Needle's Eye. Featuring the Backroad Capers. In last week's video, we hiked in the rain. In this week's video, we hike in the rain.
We're not going to have to worry about finding water.
Should be good water flowing in the falls today. Be careful.
The first trail is a short but steep hike to Yahoo Falls.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah. Wow, they go down a long way. And I'm climbing a stairway to Yahoo Falls. Oh, wait. Descending a stairway to Yahoo Falls.
California dreaming on such a winter's day.
Is it winter? Is it still winter?
It's a dreary day.
All the leaves are brown.
All the leaves are brown. All the leaves are brown.
We didn't mind the wet. It made the forest soft, quiet, misty, and kept the other hikers away. Besides, April showers bring April flowers.
Trilliums, and they're blooming. I'm gonna get down and take a video and then get down here off the trail. Oh no, off the trail.
Whale trail.
Whale trail. Now it's not obvious what happened when somebody. So worth it. Hey dear, get behind here so that I can.
I came back from this hike with mud up to my hips when I went off trail too.
There we go. That's the shot.
No, it
Now I
makes
have to
me
get
look
back
like
on
I'm
the trail.
pooping. This is Yahoo Falls. It has a large rock shelter under it that's full of mysterious misty mists and mysterious mossy mosses.
And if you don't want to actually look at the falls, you could look at a photo of the falls
Yes,
taken
from the other side. I'm going to take a photo of the fall. I'm going to take a photo of the photo of the fall.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to go to the other side and take a photo of the fall like the photo of the fall.
We'll see how close that is. All right.
At 113 feet high, Yahoo Falls is Kentucky's tallest waterfall. The rock shelter behind it is one of the largest in the park. That was pretty close.
Nothing comes between us.
All right. There we go. Now I look cooler. The light, it's so shiny on your head. All right. Let's try to get a different side.
Beyond Yahoo Falls, the trail leads you to Yahoo Arch. Deb wasn't feeling well, so she hiked back to the truck and we continued on our way without her. We welcomed the shelter from the rain, and soon the skies began to clear, just a little.
If we had been here in March, you could say this is a little arch in March, but this is April.
Little arch in March, little arch in April, little in April and April.
The sun came out and it was time to head back. The trail took us up to the top of the falls.
It's right over here.
I know, and there's a path going to it, so how dangerous can it be? Yeah, well, this is what the top of Yahoo Falls looks like.
I don't know if it was the lifting of the gray skies, but Jay became adventurous. Elizabeth and I enjoyed the view from where we were.
I didn't bring a rope.
You don't need it. We don't need a rope, so just be on the trail down below us. We'll have to sell it to pay to have your body carted back up out of here. You're not actually that close. I guess you're all right.
Tragedy averted. This time. Please don't go to the top of falls, people.
Get over this railing. Bring it down below it. Right there. And it'll open right up.
Okay, I'm a little...
We go to that tree and just go down just a smidge. It'll be perfect.
Okay, you get on that. I'm a little hungry, so I'm going to go back to the truck and eat something.
Okay, well, you gotta wait till I get back.
Oh, sure, I'll wait for you.
So you can tell the investigators what happened.
I know what happened.
What are you doing?
I'm going out to that tree.
No, you're
so
not.
I can see the waterfall.
You're not.
Just to the tree.
No. No. Put your pack back on. Put your
Okay,
pack.
I gotta pee, so y'all go ahead and I'll pee. And I'll see you. Never get to have any fun with food.
Kids.
Combining the falls and the arch, this hike was 3.78 miles long, and it took us 2.5 hours.
For you, little Miss and Mr. Drab Dresser.
This is what we get for making fun of the fact that he matched his shirt to his truck.
I feel attacked. Colorful.
Yeah, look at that. His watch band matches too.
Are you ready?
Deb decided to set out the next hike, which was to Julie Lynn and Princess Falls,
Tweety, 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 tweety.
says the Carolina Wren.
Got purple flowers, and white flowers, and these kind of yellow flowers. And then there's a pink one. And then there's a burgundy flower. Oh, well, they're moving on. If it was a tire display, they'd still be here.
Human scale is super important.
Wait a minute, I thought you said Deb skipped this hike.
Made it to the Julie Lynn Falls.
Pretty darn pretty.
Jay says it's important to have something pretty in the foreground of your waterfall. It's all about the perspective.
This is Princess Falls. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Princess Falls had a blowdown, which made photographing it just a little bit difficult. But I feel like we were up to the challenge. This trail was 3.2 miles long and took us 2 hours to complete.
Another rough life. It's pouring down rain. We've got a storm again. We spent the day hiking, sometimes in the rain, sometimes not. And here we are sitting warm and dry making spaghetti.
I know. Beautiful, beautiful hikes today. Gorgeous.
I can't believe how gorgeous the hikes in Big South Fork.
Yeah, unfortunately Debbie's not feeling well, so she's down for the count, but Jay and James and I are going to make ourselves some pasta, and hopefully she'll be feeling better tomorrow.
Yep. She's gonna miss out on the pie tonight.
We got our big weather set up, and it looks like it's working pretty good.
Yep.
We got our little heater.
Warm and dry for several feet around the teardrop.
Stuff trying to dry out. Tomorrow the sun's supposed to come out, so the sun will come out tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun.
But the sun did not come out tomorrow.
First couple of hikes that started in rain, God said, "Here, hold my beer."
So now
We're getting hailed on.
our third hike starts in hail.
Hail, yes. You gotta want it. You gotta want it.
This trail took us along Bruce Creek up to Triple Falls. This is also known as Bruce Falls, which makes sense, and Little Egypt Falls, which I don't know why. Then it started to hail. Again.
Okay. That's hailing a lot. Here's our waterfall. Triple Falls. 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, 4. Triple Falls? Really, Tennessee?
Let's add Quadruple Falls to the list of names. Why not?
Might of our country to create the grandeur that is I-75. This was totally worth the hike to see this.
Oh yeah.
4 lanes of glorious travel.
Yes, at high speed. And look, they're missing this. They're having fun the wrong way.
Lightning means nothing. That thunder is totally,
Lightning? Thunder?
that's totally normal.
Nah, it's fine. Everything's
At
fine.
least we're going up, so.
The weather didn't seem like it could make up its mind. One minute it was windy and hail, pouring down rain. The next minute the sun came out, but you could still hear thunder in the distance. Okay, maybe climbing to a vantage point with a giant metal pole sticking out of the ground isn't the brightest thing to do when there's the possibility of lightning. But the view was worth it?
It's a great view if you like seeing a town and a highway. I would say it's worth risking your life for, but I'd be wrong.
Back at Bruce Creek, Jay spotted something.
What's that way? Oh, a cascade. All right.
I suspect this unnamed cascade is ephemeral and only appears during stormy weather. Still, it's impressive though.
For Deb's reaction upon seeing the fall.
Wow. That is prettier than the other ones with all the steps.
Very cascadey.
This hike was 2.5 miles long and took us 2.5 hours to complete. It was the weather that slowed us down. Another day, another hike. We decided to try to find the Needle's Eye. Our hunt for the trailhead took us across the O&W Bridge. And then immediately having to turn around and drive back because the parking lot was on the other side of the bridge. Looks like we'd be hiking up part of the John Murrah Trail. Muir?
John Muir.
This crosses the Big South Fork of the Cumberland River.
What you see?
While we were there, we saw several whitewater kayakers take out at the foot of the bridge.
Wow.
This is a busy place. We saw a large group of horsemen and one guy with a mule, a mulesman, getting ready to cross the bridge to go down one of the trails. It looked like everyone was having a great time. We knew we were. And even though we saw lots of people at the bridge, we saw no one on our trail.
We came across our first interesting section of the trail. It's missing. Well, I guess it's not missing, it's buried. So, yeah, okay. Rock. I almost fell. Almost fell again. But I got it. I'm good. There we go. That was fun.
Beth had read about this hike on the Independent Herald website, but it otherwise did not seem to be very well advertised. And except for the blowdown on this part of the trail, it was actually fairly well kept. Some of the trail markers did need a little bit of interpretation, but we managed not to get lost.
You made it.
We love to see these hand-laid stone staircases on a trail. They must have taken a lot of work, and we just think they're neat.
Just think they're neat.
This stairway didn't lead to heaven. It led to Jake's Falls, the next best thing.
Nature's stairs.
Part of the trail is open to horseback riders. How they get up some of the sections of the trail is beyond me.
I don't know.
And of course, as always, we kept an eye out for bear.
What is it? You only have to run faster than your slowest person?
Well, that would be Deborah.
Remember, I died doing what I love.
And this was the Devil's Den.
Oh, looks like there used to be a thing in here, huh?
Sleeper sofa.
Huh, somebody brought up and left it.
Old sofa.
Sleeper sofa. Nice.
Well, so you didn't get this one.
I could use a nap.
They used to come and hang out before they had to become an adult and get a job.
That is gorgeous. The textures, if you look at it one way, the shadows make you think it's coming out, but it's really going in.
Yes, very Art Nouveau. And the colors.
Similar to the wavy designs of seashells.
And this section of trail was part of the John Muir Trail.
John Muir.
Okay, now look kind of at me because your nose can't be
And
on
I think
it.
this is his
Yeah,
silhouette.
like kind of there.
It's hard to tell.
I think that's
it's
how
a little ambiguous.
the photo was that they did. That they did the poor silhouette. Should bring a blue marker and fix
I
all
think
of
my
them.
silhouette's prettier.
It is.
I do need a.
Need a longer goat style beard. Yeah, at first I was like, what state is that? I'm like, oh,
It's not Illinois or Indiana backwards.
rock art. Yeah, so we found a shortcut to the Needle's Eye.
Shortcut, yay. Shortcut to famous.
That's what happens when you film and don't watch where your feet are.
Our shortcut is famous for seeing this time and effort.
How's it feel to be Deb?
What?
How's it feel to be Deb?
I don't understand your last word.
How does it feel to be Deb?
How does it feel to be Deb? Well, kind of annoyed right now.
So situation normal.
Well, just because her legs are 6 inches shorter than everybody else's, and so...
Because everything is grabbing me.
Oh, and everything is grabbing her.
And my legs aren't long enough to reach.
This shortcut was not as well cleared and a little vegetative.
But just think, you can go places without hitting your head. When we get to the cave, you won't have to worry about scooching down because...
I can't step over things like you guys can.
What the what?
From the top of the ridge, you hike down a narrow trail, and it brings you to this, the Needle's Eye.
Oh, that is so cool.
Oh, there's water.
And it's also got an arch.
Chutes and ladders.
That is so cool.
I didn't see that.
I'm gonna walk across this first, because, I mean, that's why it's there, right? Oh, that's so cute. Oh, see, Deb will be able to just stand up straight and walk right underneath this. How's that ladder look, Jay?
This ladder looks great. It's more the getting onto it that is.
Turn around. Turn
No,
around.
that's the way they do it. It's always so nerve wracking.
You're fine. Look, see? I knew you could do it.
I got to take a picture of this.
And it's only bouncing a little bit.
Jay, you made it down.
All right.
It was nice knowing you.
Are you gonna not do it, Deb?
Of course I'm gonna do it.
3 points of contact, that's what safety says. 3 points of contact. I'll keep you out of the box.
Can you tell that she's worked in a warehouse and had to listen to a safety lecture every morning?
Pretty sturdy.
Yeah, it's pretty sturdy. Definitely something fun. Oh, I can see it.
He's got a...
I see you.
Oh, look at you!
you.
Come on down, Deb.
The water's great.
It's windy.
Wow.
Oh, that is
Light
awesome.
coming through there is really cool.
Okay, ready to see my butt?
Oh, that's right. I'll try not to look up your skirt.
Turn around.
Turn around, turn around. No, no.
No, turn around.
I'll turn around in a minute. Don't do that.
Deb, you're having fun the wrong way. You can do it. You did it. See? 3 points of contact, Deb. 3 points of contact. There you
The
go.
ladder or the rock?
Either, any.
There's acorns in there.
Aw, that's some squirrel's little cache. Oh, what's been there, dear? Is that...
I found a small cave in the cave.
Oh, you're disappearing completely in there.
So is there a way from that hole back around?
I don't know. Oh, wow. Look at this.
It's a little alcove.
Is that water?
Oh, there's a 2x4.
Just do it one step at a time. It'll be fine.
It must be scraps from the ladder. Just mud.
How far back does that go?
Not very.
It's a human.
What? Where?
Wow, the opening looks so small from the other side.
This is awesome.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
This is very much worse. That was a nice hike to begin with. Yep.
This trail took us 5.17 miles, and we took almost 4 hours to do it.
Jay pumped up the fire with the mattress inflator, blowing the air on it.
It's clear that after our short visit here, we definitely needed to return. There is so much to do.
And Elizabeth has made a delicacy of tortillas, apples, and cinnamon. Yum. Look at that.
Life is sweet.
Woot, woot, woot. And then we're going to try to toast some peeps.
Thanks for watching.
Anywhere you go.